So I've cleared the second stage of being a sleep intern at WakeFit, and I'd be getting money to sleep for over 3 months. And how much money? That's over a lakh, up to 10 lakh rupees. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about my new job prospects. What are my salary? What is the work all about? Is it part-time, full-time? And what exactly is it going to be about? And I'm sure you must be thinking a lot about it because there's been a gap, and now because of the starting line, some of you might have guessed it by now, but if you've not, just stay tuned for this. While I was scrolling over a lot of videos on YouTube, and of course a lot of things come across, and because of that I also came across this one video wherein somebody was talking about being a sleep intern. So this sleep intern wala thing kind of really hit me, and I was like, what is this sleep intern all about, and is it fake or is it actual thing, kya ye authentic hai ya nahi? So just to check it out, I started researching about it, and I came across this WakeFit, this company which makes which initially started making mattresses, and now they make things like wardrobes and other furnishings of the house. So yeah, that's how it worked, and they came up with this really amazing opportunity which I wasn't really believing until now. So I just went forward and I checked the prospects, and I went through this video wherein someone was telling about how to apply, and wherein you can be an intern, sleep intern for over 100 days. So the thing is that you need to, if in case you get selected, you need to sleep for this company. Like, you will be a sleep intern, you'll be interning as their employee for 3 months, for 100 days, or a little over 3 months, and you'll be getting paid to sleep. Now the details about it is that there was a form like usual that you need to click on that link. When you go on that link, very easy form. They would just ask your name, your email, I guess your phone number. I'm not too sure because I applied just to check that how authentic it is, and I wasn't really thinking about anything else when I applied it. So, and it was just one question. The form was super easy. Just fill your name, last name, probably your email, and yeah, your phone number. Yes, that's where they send you a message and you get to know about whether you've been selected or not. So yeah, that was the thing, and I applied just to check that does it really work. And there was a question that why do you think you need to be you are the perfect fit for a sleep intern. So you write just like a 50-word thing, you write a statement there, and that's it, and you submit, and you have actually submitted an application to work for the season 2. So just also to let you know, I also researched so much, so there was a clause that you can go ahead and get an idea about how this worked, because there has been a season 1 as well for this WakeFit sleep internship program, whatever it is. And then this was the season 2. So I went ahead and I checked out the season 1, and I came to know that this is really authentic. But still, I just applied and to see how will they actually take the application process ahead. And I'd forgotten about it because I don't even remember now, which was, I think it was in Feb or March somehow. Yeah, so I don't even remember it much. And around 2 weeks back, yes, 2 weeks back, I'd gotten this message where they say that round 2 results have been made out. Like, they've released the results for the second round, and now you can check if you've been selected or not. So I just vaguely went. You just need to put in the details of your the details of your email. Like, you fill up your email there, and then they will take you to the page where, to my surprise, I got selected for the second round. And in this second round, what you were supposed to do was send a video resume, like a 1 or 2 minute resume, just like it says here, saying that why are you a perfect fit as a sleep intern, and that needs to be really creative. So this whole thing is actually very creative. It's probably an advertisement, and you know how to make WakeFit more famous and spreading of word of mouth, because this thing is really creative. It's a very good idea of advertisement. And I'm going to come up to the salary and everything as well, the perks that you get in benefits, etc. So I will be coming up to that to tell you how this is not at all a very very costly affair for them, right? So yeah, I thought about it, and I was like, okay, I actually prepared a little thing as I was thinking about it, and I thought, okay, why not? And I, of course, told my family about it and a few friends about it, and they also kind of liked the idea. Oh my God, you'll be getting paid to sleep all this while. So there were a few conditions that you need to do is that you need to be a very, very good and a sound sleeper, and you need to have a perfect timing, like a particular time of sleeping and waking up every single day. So like if you sleep at 12 for all 100 days, you need to sleep at 12, wake up at 9, so 9 hours, and you cannot have a disturbed sleep. So you need to be a really deep and sound sleeper, which I am, no doubts, and I've got so much of experience of sleeping anywhere in the world and even in the aircraft, not just on ground. And this was going to be my line also in the video resume, that I can sleep anywhere in the ground, on ground, as well as on air, in air. So yeah, that's how it went. And apart from sound sleeping, you don't need to wake up, like you don't have to have a disturbed sleep, a good sleeping pattern, no alcohol, no history of somewhere. Basically, you just, their idea is that they will be, because there is, they are a company that makes a mattress which they need to say that which is the best one, and probably they need feedback of common people. So they've just made this creative way of selecting at least like 30 people, and then telling them what they do is, once you get selected, they will send you a mattress and a tracking device, and they will get it delivered to your place. You need to sleep on that particular mattress for 100 days straight, every day, 9 hours sleep comfortably, peacefully, and have a sound sleep. Not that anybody and everybody can do it. So if in case you get selected, that's what you are supposed to do. So now coming on to the salary part, they say that every intern will be getting 1 lakh rupees. Yeah, 1 lakh rupees straight. And if you outperform, like you're a very good performer, then you'll be getting up to 10 lakh rupees. So which of course, once you get into it, you'll be knowing what all you're supposed to do. There must be some competitions or whatever it has to be. So there are different videos also on YouTube if you want to check out. Yes, it is 100% authentic, and one of the conditions is that you have to submit the video resume on your social media handle, so either on YouTube or Twitter or Facebook. So whatever account you have, if you don't have a YouTube account, you make it and you basically post it. So I of course have a YouTube channel and I'm gonna post it, but I had prepared for it. And I was just thinking about it because of late, because the summers have come in and I prefer to shoot in the night time, and I've got a lot of work in the night these days to do, because I somehow go the other way around. Like in the winters, it's fine to shoot in the day, but I prefer to work in the night, and somehow it's not going to be that settled. Because if you think about it, that you get paid to only sleep for 100 days, it sounds very easy, but it might not be that easy, because not all days can you sleep at the same time. Sometimes you can sleep early, sometimes late, sometimes you're working, sometimes you're going, and in these COVID times it can be a little difficult. And the most important part there, what was there was that it is not as easy as it sounds, because they're going to give you 1 lakh rupees for 100 days. So if you do the math and do your calculation, it's just a little above 30,000 rupees per month, which is not a lot. So if you think this way, initially I thought it was 10 lakh rupees, and somehow, but when I thought about it, it's just above 30,000 rupees, and a lot of time and a lot of concentration and dedication to one job. This is the kind of person that I am. So finally, I actually decided, even after being a little prepared, I just thought that I don't think so this opportunity is for me, even if I get selected. I was happy that I went for the second round. I'm being selected, and probably I would have made it as well. But then I just thought that if I make it, and then for the interview as well, I don't know, but I did not go ahead with it, guys. Yes, I did not go ahead with it. So I just let this opportunity go, because somehow I thought that I will not be able to complete this task, as I have prior commitments of other works first. So yeah, I just let this opportunity go. So guys, this job is not my job at the current time. And anybody who's thinking about this wake fit sleep intern thing, it is absolutely true, and this is absolutely authentic. There can be a season 3 as well, and definitely if there is an opportunity that I get to know, and if you get to know before me, then go ahead, do try for it. If anything like this interests you, then you definitely should go for it. And that's all for this video. I hope you kind of like this kind of update from me. And yeah, that's about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with as many as people as you can, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.